If you're planning a trip to Mackinac Island and looking for a place that gives you extra space to spread out, you're going to want to see this. We recently stayed in room 402 at Lilac Tree Suites right in the heart of downtown Mackinac Island. Today I'm going to take you inside the room to see what it looks like so you can decide if it's the right fit for your trip. Lilac Tree Suites is located right in the middle of Main Street, making it incredibly convenient for getting around the island. They have 39 suites, and each one is designed a little differently, so no two suites are exactly alike. Every suite includes a living room and a separate sleeping room, which is one of the reasons families love staying here. When booking your stay, you can choose between an island view room or a balcony room, depending on the type of view you're hoping to have during your visit. To find the entrance, look for the walkway between the Club Pink Pony Shop and Little Luxuries. Walk down the path and you'll see the entrance to the lobby on the right, next to their beautifully painted elevators. We stayed in room 402, which is a balcony room. When you walk in, you first enter the bedroom, which features a comfortable king bed, a TV, and storage space for your belongings. Just beyond the bedroom, you'll find a dual sink vanity area, which is incredibly helpful when multiple people are getting ready at the same time. And right off the vanity area is the bathroom, which includes a tiled shower with a glass enclosure. From there, we move into the living room area, which includes an eating area, a pull-out couch, and another TV. There is also a kitchenette, which includes a microwave, mini fridge, and coffee maker, stocked with Michigan-made coffee, which is always a fun local touch. Next, we step out onto the balcony, which overlooks Main Street and the harbor, one of the best parts of staying in this room. And right here you can see one of the horse-drawn carriages going by below, which really gives you that classic Mackinac Island feel. Overall, this layout works really well for families or groups, especially if you want separate spaces to relax and sleep. And the location is hard to beat, right in the middle of Main Street and just a short walk from the ferry docks, which makes arrival and getting around the island incredibly easy. If you're traveling with kids or a larger group and want space to spread out, Lilac Tree Suites is definitely one to consider. If you're planning a trip to Mackinac Island, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more hotel walkthrough videos and planning tips. And if you're not already in our Mackinac Island Travel Tips and Suggestions Facebook group, I'll link that below. It's an amazing place to ask questions and get advice from people who love the island. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you on the island soon.